Okay, good evening, welcome to
MonsterMath35.
MonsterMath35. So this is a math problem that you weren't able to get to. So we just thought we'd turn it into a project because it's a neat geometry problem as well. The square ABCD has side length 1. Points E and F are on sides AB and CB, respectively, with AE equals CF. So we've drawn it right. When the square is folded along the lines DE and DF, sides AD and CD coincide and lie on the diagonal BD. The length of the segment AE can be expressed in the form square root of k minus m units. What is the integer value of k plus m? So basically it's asking you to find the length AE.
So this is 1.
That's 1, yeah.
So here's our diagonal.
Yep.
We have these lines.
Yep.
So that when you fold it over, you'd have something like this.
Yep. Very good.
So just call this x.
Okay.
This is x. My guess is that k is 2. It's going to be root 2 minus something.
Why is that?
Because this length is root 2. We subtract away this. But I might be wrong.
Okay.
So we have square length 1. We fold we fold A over line DE, goes here. C over line DF goes here.
Mm-hmm.
And well, this is 1 minus x. So I mean, maybe we could say that 4x squared equals 2 times 1 minus x squared.
Alright, how did you figure that out?
Because you have this isosceles right triangle. It's right because it's a square.
Oh yeah, that's real nice.
So this would say 4x squared is, so 1 minus x squared is 1 squared minus 2x plus x squared. So it would be 2 minus 4x plus 2x squared. 2x squared is 2 minus 4x. So divided by 2x squared is 1 minus 2x. So x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0.
Okay.
So the quadratic formula says you'd have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 4 over 2. This is going to say minus 1 plus or minus square root of 2 because this is 2 root 2.
Okay.
This is a distance, so it has to be minus 1 plus root 2.
Mm-hmm.
So root 2 minus 1. So 2 plus 1.
Very good. High five. That's a nice solution. And there was an even, your instincts right at the beginning about y would be equal to, might be equal to root 2 were right on. And you almost got the triangle. Okay, so these get folded over like this.
Mm-hmm.
And just like you said, this is x and x. And this is 1 minus x. And this is 1 minus x.
Yep.
But because this is a 45-degree angle here, because it's the diagonal of the square. It cuts this triangle into two other triangles, so this is also x. But this side got folded over here to be 1. So what does x equal?
So x is root 2 minus 1.
X is root 2 minus 1. That's a different way you can see it, but it was great that you saw that triangle. So working through the quadratic formula gives it to you, but also just a little bit of geometry also tells you. That was a nice job, huh? Very good work.